Hey DIY enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling an exciting flooring project, installing herringbone laminate flooring. This stylish pattern can add a touch of elegance to any room, and with a bit of patience and precision, you can achieve a professional look. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through the process of installing herringbone laminate flooring. Let's get started. 1. Gather your materials and tools. First, let's gather everything you'll need for the project. Herringbone laminate flooring, underlayment tape measure, chalk line, utility knife saw, circular saw or laminate cutter, spacers, pencil, rubber mallet, tapping block, pull bar, safety gear, gloves and safety glasses. 2. Prepare the subfloor. Preparation is key to a successful installation. Ensure your subfloor is clean, dry, and level. Remove any old flooring, debris, or nails. If necessary, sand down high spots and fill in low spots with a leveling compound. 3. Plan your layout. Planning. Your layout is crucial for a herringbone pattern. Start by finding the center of the room and snapping a chalk line to serve as a guide. Lay out a few rows of laminate without adhesive to see how the pattern will look, and ensure you have the desired aesthetic. 4. Start the first row. Begin installing the first row along your chalk line. Place spacers along the walls to maintain an expansion gap, typically about 1/4 inch. Start with a plank at a 45-degree angle to the chalk line, and place another plank at the opposite 45-degree angle to form a V shape. 5. Continue the pattern. Continue the pattern by adding more planks and tapping them into place with a tapping block and rubber mallet. Work your way out from the center, row by row, ensuring each plank is snug and properly aligned with the previous ones. 6. Cutting and fitting planks. As you reach the room's edges, you must cut planks to fit. Measure the space accurately and cut the planks using a saw or laminate cutter. Ensure the cut edges face the wall and are covered by baseboards or molding. 7. Finishing touches. Once all the planks are installed, remove the spacers and install baseboards or molding to cover the expansion gaps. Give the floor a final clean to remove any dust or debris, and there you have it, a beautifully installed herringbone laminate floor that adds elegance and style to your room. With careful planning and attention to detail, you can achieve a stunning result you'll be proud of. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more DIY projects and home improvement tips. Thanks for watching, and happy flooring.